What if I told you this is the solution to mental overload for business owners and freelancers? So, this is a brain backup system that helps you put out all your ideas, thoughts, notes, reminders, goals, wish lists, decisions, everything in just one place. So, you just dump it here and the system will do its magic. I've built this Notion system called Brain Backups for busy business owners, which is literally the simplest solution to the most complicated problem business owners or professionals face on daily basis. Let's be honest here. I've talked to many business owners in the past 2 months, and the problem is always the same. How can we declutter our minds? How can we clear up our minds so that we can focus on what really matters? So, this is what my system is doing. You will just capture, you have a form, or you can just capture it from here. You will capture your notes or thoughts or ideas, and then you have a variety of choices for here, and then you have a framework that you can follow so that you make sure whatever you're inputting here is really important to you. And then once it's done, you will have it show up in one of these vision boards if it's really important. So here we can just click on done to mark these as done. The moment you mark them as done, they are going to disappear and no longer clutter your mind. So this is basically like an external hard disk for your brain, so you don't have to keep thinking about the same things in your mind over and over again.